Hello everyone. In the 18th and 19th centuries, when machines first appeared on the streets to replace animal power, many people had negative reactions. At that time, machinery was too strange for most people. Nowadays, we are all used to machines, but some machines have a slightly unusual appearance compared to others due to the nature of their work. They are created from highly practical ideas to meet the needs of users, but that is precisely what makes them look different from ordinary machines. They are unique in both appearance and work style, and sometimes even considered bizarre. However, their work efficiency will definitely surprise us. So what makes them so special? Let's explore these unique machines together right now. On newly cleared or uncultivated fields, or on those left unattended for many years, there may appear many unfamiliar, hard, or large objects such as rocks, bricks, or building materials. These can create many difficulties during the farming process and require a lot of effort to clean up. Just imagine having to manually pick up each scattered rock on the field for the next planting season. It's tiring just to think about it. But don't worry, because there is the Deagleman Rock King 9600 rock picker machine. Deagleman Rock King is an earth-moving and rock-picking machine manufactured by Deagleman Industries, a company specializing in agricultural and construction-related products. Designed to operate efficiently on various terrains, Deagleman Rock King can quickly and effectively excavate soil and rocks. With superior strength and speed, Deagleman Rock King not only saves time and effort but also ensures high productivity and efficiency. The Deagleman Rock King is the culmination of more than 55 years of pursuing excellence. And as the manufacturer claims, the Deagleman Rock King is simply second to none. This demonstrates Deagleman's confidence and belief in the quality and functionality of its product. This machine has a very simple structure. It consists of 3 large and long rotating rakes that are evenly attached to a shaft. Their task is to scrape the rocks onto a sieve at the back. This sieve will retain the rocks and the debris will fall back onto the surface of the field. After the rocks are separated from the soil, they will be pushed into a 5 cubic meter capacity container at the back. Once the container is full, it will be moved and emptied at a collection point. The entire process is smooth, simple, and efficient. What do you think about this machine? Please leave a comment below the video and let me know. Surely, many of us know and only recognize excavators that look like this. So, I assume that an unusual excavator like this would surely surprise many people who see it. This excavator is called a walking excavator or spider excavator. It is a specialized type of excavator that can operate on any terrain. The reason they have such unique names is because through a series of joints, elongated legs, stabilizers, articulated wheels, and a scoop, these machines possess a range of extraordinary capabilities that you would not think possible. The simplest of these is the ability to move like a crab or spider. First appearing in 1966, walking excavators were created by 2 engineers, Joseph Kaiser and Ernst Menzi. Over 50 years later, both the Kaiser and Menzi companies continue to develop and sell these noteworthy machines, despite the relationship between the two having turned into a competitive rivalry. Initially designed to operate on steep slopes and difficult terrain in the Swiss Alps, where conventional tracked excavators could not operate. The early versions of these machines had a simple single-axle pair of wheels at the back and a pair of stabilizing legs at the front. They would move around by using hydraulic arms and a scoop to lift the legs and pull the wheels around. By the early 1970s, engineers began placing wheels and stabilizing legs on hydraulic arms, allowing them to balance on many different slopes. From there, they gained leverage, traction, and stability for lifting and digging tasks. By the late 1970s, the boom in double-walled hydraulic tubing technology allowed their legs and wheels to be extended even further. Today's walking excavators are like amazing creatures. They can extend, retract, lift and lower their legs through joints at the hips, knees, and ankles. Each wheel is driven by a hydraulic motor, accompanied by steel-clawed feet or tracks to maintain stability on any terrain. The legs can be independently controlled, allowing the cab to tilt, swivel, and they can also generate more force than double their weight track excavators. These machines can easily dig and expand slippery slopes, marshy terrain that no ordinary excavator would dare to try. They can also overcome holes and gaps, climb obstacles, and basically handle many types of terrain surfaces better than any other excavator. However, you cannot easily come across these walking excavators as you would with conventional excavators, as 99% of excavation work today can be done using regular excavators, which are much cheaper. The huge and complex hydraulic systems of walking excavators also require frequent maintenance, increasing operating costs. Finally, learning to operate a machine with extraordinary capabilities is also extremely difficult and complex. As an owner of this special excavator shed, you do not have to worry about it being stolen. This is indeed an interesting excavator, isn't it? What do you think about this machine? Please let me know your thoughts. If you just glance at them, it's likely that few people know what these machines are used for, especially when looking at the Rondo B130 among these machines, it's even more difficult to guess. They look quite strange. They stand out with big wheels, very rugged with many sharp thorns sticking out. It's hard to believe that these are lawn mowers, isn't it? The reason why these Deagleman lawn mowers have such a strange shape is that they are designed to mow grass in difficult terrain, where there is a lot of grass, swamps, or steep slopes, where normal lawn mowers may struggle or not be able to work. These machines are manufactured by Deagleman, a professional lawn mower manufacturer with unique lawn mowers that are used in difficult terrain and widely used in animal husbandry and environmental conservation. One of the standout products of the company is the Rondo B130 grass cutting machine. This is truly a machine that looks very rugged and bizarre. With 6 large cylindrical wheels attached to regular wheels, the outside of the cylindrical wheels is a layer of sharp spikes that looks very fierce. If someone imagines this machine as a fierce predator with sharp claws, I can completely understand. However, instead of being a fierce predator, this machine is a gentle and cute grass eater, much more than its appearance. The sharp spikes on the wheels are actually to help the machine move easily on difficult terrain, swamps like marshes, or to grip well on slopes, steep hillsides, and rough surfaces. The Rondo B130 grass cutting machine is equipped with an automatic control system, allowing it to operate efficiently and safely, with a quick and neat process. From cutting grass to rolling it up neatly, it can automatically detect and avoid obstacles such as trees or rocks, and can cut grass evenly on all types of terrain. It is truly a unique and useful invention, isn't it? What do you think about Deagleman's grass cutting machines, especially the Rondo B130? Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know. Next, let's explore another strange machine from Deagleman, the Deagleman Landroller LRX51. We are all familiar with road rollers on construction sites or roads that are being repaired or renovated. They help to make the road or construction surface more stable. But did you know that there are also rollers used on farms and fields? It may sound unbelievable because on fields, the soil needs to be tilled and loosened for planting, so why use a roller, right? To clarify this, let's learn a little bit about how crops are planted. On large fields, instead of planting each individual seedling, people often sow seeds directly onto the soil. It's easy to understand why. Imagine having to plant each individual corn plant on a field that spans tens of hectares. Sowing seeds would be more practical than planting seedlings. However, many seeds cannot come into contact with the soil and get trapped in debris, plant stems, or rocks. Seeds that can't come into contact with the soil are difficult or impossible to germinate. That's why the roller was invented, to compress and push the seeds into the soil, ensuring high germination rates and efficient growth. The Deagleman Landroller LRX51 is a large land roller used to level and compact the soil after planting or seeding. It is equipped with wide rollers, allowing the machine to work on a large area and reduce completion time. The rollers are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and strength. The machine also features an automatic steering system, allowing it to move on all terrains and reducing the impact on the driver. This machine effectively compacts the soil, improves its flatness, and reduces the growth of weeds and debris on the soil. It removes stubborn tree roots left over from the previous season, and even compresses rocks deep into the ground, helping crops to grow better. It may seem crazy and illogical, but the usefulness of this machine is undeniable. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. There are still many unique and interesting machines waiting for us to explore together. See you in the next video.